MeghalayaPost.news. Tang nakadako jingwanta kirunar na Assam yaw mau tablet jong kaskim MGNREGA haksnong Maikhuli ban pendap ye kijingtho alor kiti ki kampen roi bawanra rak sarkar Meghalaya ka jingiakynad ka bajur kalami epedeng ka kenhun na kasnong Maikhuli barna Assam kabalaja nadu hnin ka janmiet jong kasngi ublei bar menta ka step jong kasngi ningkong hak te kasnong kapun kani ka jingiakynad kelas dang nadu hnin ka janmiet jong kasngi ublei epedeng ka kenhun na Maikhuli barna Assam bad ya kani lala bantem no da ka jingwan poi ki magistrate bad ki bor pulit nariboy ki balatem ye kani ka kanan hendrai kani kijing kanan kalabateng ru hadu menta ka stem jong kasing kong hadu balapoi sa kijing era tiar da kijing tmu banisho ya dan tang nakada kijing wan kibrino Assam banta da ka rongiong yaw mau jing tho jong ka scheme MGNREGA hakasnong Maikhuli kibor pulit kariboy bat magistrate ru kilapoi biang menta ka stem sya ka te kasnong Maikhuli kasnong kaput apdeng ka Meghalaya bat ka Assam na ka banta bantam ye kijing kanan baru ban khanglat na kinu kijing show ya dan ki bakta ya ka songsuk songsan ki patba hakite kisnong kapun habai kran halor kani kijing jang Deputy Commissioner Kariboy Abilash Baranwal ulaong bagani jingiakynad kami hakate kasnong kapur Meghalaya bat Assam kadaitang namar kijing don kirunar na Assam kibonta da karongyong ban penku ye kijing tho yaw mau jing tho ka scheme MGNREGA kabadai ka kampun roy bawan na ka sarkar Meghalaya ulaya turu tang mariyo jingtip halor kani kijingja ulo depa ang ki magistrate bat kibor pulit bantami kite jingiakynad kanang bakanum kta ya ka songsuk songsan ki pajba ula kran shai ru bakinu ki badan kiti hakabanwara kijing kulmar ne penthut ya ka songsuk songsan ki pajba nya kakti kaan bat nagalyang kibor pulit kin kembet na pang nakabanta bantem ne khanglan ekini jingiakynad ulaya thuru bawladep kran show deputy commissioner ka kamrum banshim khyalem halor kane ka kam bat kumbalong hadu menta hakabaide bat ki kamput kamsam kintip da ka sarkar bat kinu pat ki ba persang ban pensutu baklai ki patba kabakta ai ka songsuk songsan kin sasya kem bat sya pengat haki kendon an shishu ulaya thuru badang shan ladep ru bantung da ka peace committee halor ki jingiakynad apo kasnong Maikhuli bat kate ka peace committee kani song perkhan na kabanta banshim kilenti banwara biang ya ka songsuk songsan na mare ki kamput kamsam ka sarkar jila ka shimya garai bani kran penbej mat kumbalong menta ka bor sansa district kanomailan banmi ki jingiakynad ki bakta ya ka songsuk songsan ki pajba
आगे हले तुम लोग रात भर दिन भर हमें ड्यूटी तक क्यों नहीं देखता है वो लोग को बोल दो जो ड्यूटी है ना दिन में वो वाला बोल दो मेन तो सर जो कल रात ड्यूटी है पुलिस वो लोग को बुलाओ किसा नहीं देखा वो लोग को बुलाओ किसा नहीं देखा मेन वही है
ऐसा करना नहीं चाहिए था पीस को बीते तो हम लोग शांति से हम लोग बात भी किया
एटलीस्ट ड्यूटी नहीं होने से हाँ ड्यूटी नहीं है
আমি দুইটা সাইডত ভালকে কথা পাতি কিনি কৰিম বুলি কৈছো আমাৰ ডিউটিটো নাছিল
ইটোৱে কালি অন্য ডিউটি
কথাটো আপোনাক কৈ আছো
কোনে ৰাতি থাকি আছিলে তাক মাথা আনিবা कल रात जो ड्यूटी के उसको बुलाओ मेन तो वो कैसा नहीं देखा है पुलिस लोग क्या के लिए ड्यूटी करता है चोर को पकड़ने के लिए हाँ
Nanti ibu masih cipu nanti.
Kurang main gol kalnon, jadi main gol kalnon,
Yesterday late night that some antisocial elements have blackened the MGNREGA board for Maikhuli fishery pond. We immediately dispatched magistrate yesterday to have a word with the people to show presence from the administration side. Simultaneously, as of now, we have already taken it up with the counterpart district administration to make sure that the culprits are brought to book. Those who are trying to bring or disturb the social harmony over there, they should be brought to book, and so that there is no untoward incident in the future as well. So the peace committee is working. They have already had 1-2 meetings so far, but always, in fact, these are the incidents which show that the peace committees are working, because those who have vested interest in maintaining and in not allowing peace to come over, they are trying to do these type of things so that the peace committee becomes unsuccessful. But then whatever local disputes over there, whatever developmental issues over there are, we are trying to coordinate with this peace committee so that all these stakeholders are taken into account. Registered their grievance, and they have also submitted their petition to not just DC office but also to the government of Meghalaya. And as per their wishes, the government of Meghalaya is currently having discussion with the government of Assam as well. For me to be able to speak on this matter would be quite premature, as this is a matter of ongoing discussion between two states. Repeatedly, the moment we got information, we anticipated that it might lead to heightened up emotions. Some people might take an advantage and create social disharmony over there. So we have dispatched police. In fact, from Assam side also, they have dispatched police, and as of now, police presence is there from both sides.
MeghalayaPostNEWS